We here at LSU Health Shreveport are quite fortunate to have two different COBREs, one focusing on cardiovascular disease and redox biology, and then the other that focuses on immunology and applied pathology processes. The COBRE's purpose is to do several things. One is to build institutional infrastructure. It does that through increasing capability of research cores by providing unique specific instruments or equipment that allow researchers to do the projects that they have. The other aspect of a COBRE is to provide to those research project leaders mentorship opportunities.
Not only funding provided for COBRE, but access to cores and core labs, the collaboration within scientists with all the different backgrounds and all the knowledge and expertise they bring and they're willing to help you grow and develop. I feel that was the most helpful for me. It actually led my project way much further and way much faster than I anticipated, and I'm extremely grateful for that. Having so many people from so many different backgrounds with so much different perspective than what I have, working with me and helping me actually identify where the problem is and how to sort it out. I feel that was actually the moment that's going to change my career.
Through this program, they can guide us how to organize our ideas and then to apply our own external fundings. And with his help, I finally got my first R1. So that's a really big thing in my own scientific career.
And at this point, every single one of our young faculty, our research project leaders that were on our phase one have been funded. And so each one has been able to get an individual R01 between, say, $2 and $3 or $4 million.
I really appreciate the access to the research cores that we have. So we have the immunophenotyping core and the bioinformatics and modeling cores. And both of those cores will be quite instrumental as I develop my research program further. I also find the mentorship associated with the program to be really beneficial in both the senior faculty who are involved, as well as the current and now graduates of the COBRE program and being able to get their insight.
These COBRE grants from NIH really serve as a foundation for schools to grow infrastructure, young faculty, and develop a discipline that is needed at that school. And I'd like to think that we have taken advantage of that NIH funding to now grow a very strong and important discipline that is really needed within the state of Louisiana and really the whole region.
And you know how they say, like, it takes a village. Personally, I feel like with COBRE, I have a village, and I'm beyond grateful.